Well, I thought I'd throw a video out there. Me and Lou. Wait, show me here, son. There's old Lou right there. We're going to check the corn, make sure the deer got plenty to eat. Let's see what it's about. Plenty of rain down here in South Georgia the last few weeks, couple months really. It's been a real wet year. Hurricane knocked that one down. There's several of them. I had probably 100 or so. I don't know why I'm leaning the phone like we on a daggone roller coaster. But pick on that till it's gone. We'll get them back up in here by the weekend. Alright, thought I'd carry y'all for a ride.